It's a blessing to be alive and above ground. My name is Margaret and I'm from Eat Good TV and Margaret TV. I am going to season the salmon and let it marinate for half an hour. So I'm just adding some jerk sauce to the salmon, 1 tablespoon of jerk sauce to the salmon. All-purpose seasoning. Small amount because the jerk seasoning have a little salt in it, and some Old Bay, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and this is Caribbean Fusion all-purpose season, a small amount. And this is Caribbean season to 18. It has 18 different herbs in it. And it's like grilling season. It has 18 different herbs. And I add a little salt because I made my homemade jerk sauce, but you don't have much, much salt, just a little salt in it, so I just add a little bit more salt. And some olive oil. And I'm gonna let this marinate for half an hour. About a tablespoon of olive oil. And just with clean hands, clean fingernails, just rub everything together. Just season the fish. Add some jerk to the back of the salmon, to the skin. Add a little jerk to it. And we're gonna place it on a wire rack, and I'm gonna bake it in the oven. We're gonna season our shrimp with some Old Bay. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the pot. We're gonna cook the shrimp, then we're gonna make a glaze, an orange glaze for the shrimp. 2 minutes on one side and 2 minutes on the next side. We don't want the shrimp to be rubbery, so leave 2 minutes on one side and 2 minutes on the next side, because we are going to put it into an orange glaze sauce. I cook the shrimp, so I'm removing them, put them in a bowl. Then I'm going to make the sauce in the pot. Now that the shrimp and the salmon is cooked, we are going to make this sauce. So I'm just going to juice the orange. And this is for the shrimp. 4 orange juice. You just juice 4 orange. Or you can use orange juice from the box. But I'm juicing these oranges. So with the 4 orange, you get 1.5 cup of orange juice. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken the orange juice, and 1 tablespoon of complete season. And then we're gonna mix it. Just mix out the cornstarch, and you're gonna add it to the pot with some butter. Add some butter to the pot, about a tablespoon of butter, and cook until sauce is thickened. Then you add the shrimp back to the pot. Add some cayenne to the pot just for the heat, a little heat. Add some cayenne pepper and some smoked paprika. And I add a little regular paprika. You can put a little regular paprika to the pot. Now you're gonna just mix it and add the shrimp.